Welcome back to my channel, my friends. Today we learn e-commerce. What is the e-commerce? If you are new my channel, please subscribe my channel and share. If you have any question, please leave a comment. What is a e-commerce? E-commerce is the buying and selling of or service via the internet and the transfer for money and data to complete sales. It's also known as electronic commerce of internet commerce. Today, today question about e-commerce usually center around with channels or best executive business online, but one of the most bearing question is the opportunity spelling of the e-commerce. This truth is there is not any of the right wrong and unusually comes down a preference. Here is a few of variations of the how e-commerce. E-commerce. In other words, what is e-commerce is far easier to answer than how to spell it. So we may have agree to disagree on their proper spelling. Types of e-commerce as e-commerce continue to evolve to so do the ways that is correct content. Following are most traditional types of e-commerce model. Business consider B2C. B2C e-commerce is the most popular e-commerce model. Business to consumer means that to sale is taking place between business and consumer, like when you buying and rug from a online retailer. Business to business. B2B e-commerce refer to business selling a good or service to another business like a manufacturer and wholesale or a wholesaler and a retailer. Business to business e-commerce is not consumer facing and usually involves products like raw material software products that are combined manufacturer also sell directly to retailer via B2B. Direct to consumer D2C. Direct to consumer e-commerce is the newest model of e-commerce, and trends with this category are country, um, consistently consider D2DC, that is a brand of selling directly to their end consumer without going through a retailer, distributor or wholesale subscription, are a popular D2C atom and social selling platform like Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, Snapchat, etc. are popular platform for direct consumer sales. Number 4. Consumer to consumer. C2C e-commerce refer to the sale of good or service. Another consumer to consumer sales that take place on platform like eBay, it is a Fiverr, etc. Number 5. Consumer to consumer. C2B. Consumer to business is even when individual sells their service or products to be business organization. C2B incommerce information offering experience, photographs, consults, freelance, write, etc. Best example of B2B e-commerce campaigns writing in the game. Direct e-commerce in the consumer. D2C breaking barriers and during big result in e-commerce.